Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Prime Video how to use. So how to use Prime Video. So to use Prime Video is like a Prime Video is a streaming site where you can watch movies or series that you want. So to use this, just you need to first subscribe to Prime Video. So to subscribe to Prime Video, you just need to go Prime Video, type it here, Prime Video, and click here. If you're not yet subscribed, you need to subscribe to it. But right now I'm subscribed, so I'll just go directly here. How to use it? So to use it, just once you've subscribed to here, make you need to make a profile here, put a name or something, and after that, choose a movie that you want. Example, let's choose Reacher. I'm in the office. Click on it, and how to use it. So to use it, here is the watch, continue to watch after you watch a movie. There you go. And if you like the movie, you can also thumbs up or dislike if you don't like the movie. But today we like The Office, so we're gonna put it thumbs up. And if you want, you can also download an episode that you want. For example, we're at um episode 4. We can download episode 4. If you want to download episode 1 or 2, just go to episode 1, 2. And to see the episodes, just need to scroll down right here. If you're talking about series, and scroll down here, all the episodes are available. Episode 1, there you go. Close it back. There you go. Once you close it back, you can download the episode 1 right now. And here is the link if you want to share it to friends or maybe neighbors or maybe family and watch together. You just click here. And as you can see, there's a start a teleparty. So for those who don't know what the teleparty is, I made a separate video on teleparty about the Prime Video and how to use it. So I suggest you should watch that. So now you can add it to your watch list if you want. If you want to save it, there you go. Just add that like aside, then it's gonna go to your watch list. There. And you can also check here related videos and the details of the movie. See if it's you want it or if you think you want to watch it because of its language or subtitles and that, and to see who director, produce, cast, and studio. And that's not it. You can also do the seasons. Check all the seasons right here by just clicking right here. Season 1, season 2, season 3, and all of those. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. Back right here. So yeah, if we're talking about movies like this, as you can see, there's no season because there's no season here. Yes, it's not a season; it's a movie. See what movies that you want. See what movies that you want. We just need to go back to home and type it here. You see this little search icon here. Just click on that and then type a movie that you want, or maybe a genre of the movie, or maybe category of the movie. Just type it there. And if you want to watch its TV series, or maybe you want to separate the TV series from the movies, just click here for the movies. Click just that one, and it will separate all the TV series from the movies. And if you want TV series, just click on this one, and everything will be separate from the TV series to the movie. So there you go. That's how you use Prime Video. And a quick tip for you guys: when using the Prime Video, when you're gonna use the Prime Video, always remember that if you watch a movie, like for example your favorite movie, you like this one, like this, or maybe series you haven't finished, I recommend just clicking on the movie. After clicking on the movie, click on watch list. Once you click on watch list, that means it will be here on your watch list, so you can easily find it. Click on, there you go. You can add this to watch your watch list. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And Merry Christmas to you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the year. So yeah. If you guys like the video, hope you guys enjoyed. And you have any question on how to use a Prime Video, just type it in on the comment section below. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.